Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta from scratch. Start by gathering your simple ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. On a clean surface, pile the flour and create a well in the center, like a volcano. Carefully crack the eggs into this well, then sprinkle in the salt. This foundational step is crucial for achieving the perfect pasta dough. We're aiming for a smooth, pliable consistency that will be easy to work with. Now, gently start incorporating the flour into the eggs using a fork or your fingertips, working from the inside out. Once a shaggy dough forms, bring it all together and begin kneading. This is where the magic happens. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Then, cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll. After resting, divide your dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and, using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll it out very thinly. Aim for about 1/16 of an inch thick. You should almost be able to see through it. This thinness is key for delicate pasta. Once rolled, cut the sheets into your preferred pasta shape, whether it's classic fettuccine, wide tagliatelle, or any other delightful form. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for only 2 to 4 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. You want it al dente with a slight bite. Drain quickly, reserving a little pasta water, then toss immediately with your favorite sauce. Enjoy the incredible taste of truly fresh, homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.